Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a pretty cool video. Today we're going to show you guys how to shoot rollers with only 2 people. Now in this video, we are going to do it with 3 people just because we're going to try something different out. But me and Slabs, he's going to be in the video later today. We did it the other day and it came out fire. We are using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. These videos I've been servicing a lot and I think they're really fire what this little camera does for $500-600 that it takes. And yeah, so we're gonna use the R8. I think we're gonna use Slabs' Infinity. We might use my CRV. I'm not sure yet, but you only need 2 people to do it. And I'll drop all the links in the description below on where to get everything, where I got everything. And yeah, I think some sick ass rollers of the R8 is gonna be fire. So let's get to it. And quick disclaimer, this is my first time recording without my mic, so I'm using just the mic off the Osmo. I don't know how good it's gonna be, so I apologize ahead of time if the quality is not that good on audio, but bear with me. There's not gonna be too much audio needed in this video because you're gonna just see some cinematic rollers of my car. Maybe we'll throw a Slabs car in there. He's got a G37. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna be using for this this video. Obviously the Osmo Pocket 3, which we're using, so I can't really show you that. It is the content creator bundle, so you would get this with it. This is the extended battery, but most importantly, I'm actually not going to take it off, but this little piece at the bottom right here, it doesn't come with it, but it does come with this. But there's a screw at the bottom of this that this goes onto. It is not on the regular camera, so you need one of these. There's a shorter one that it comes with too, and then there's the bigger one. I use the bigger one just to, because on this, I need the height for it and stuff because it's not too low to the ground. So I use the bigger one, but you could use the smaller one. Obviously, it depends on application. And then this is the PGY Tech. I got this on Amazon. I think it's PGY Tech triple suction mount, and this just sticks onto the side of the car. Obviously, these things move around. And yeah, the only other thing that I will be using today that you guys won't see is on the camera. It's a CPL filter. I'll put it up on the screen, and I'll also, like I said, put a description link below. Just magnets right onto the camera, and it could help you with your windows and stuff like that. It basically takes that like glare out, if you will. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need. I mean, the mobile app is also super helpful, and we're going to be using that for tracking and stuff like that. You do not need it, but it is way different when you have the mobile app, especially when you can't touch the camera because it's on the car and you're rolling 60 miles an hour. But yeah, that's pretty much all you really need for this setup. Obviously, it would be way better if I was home because I could grab the mic and I could, put it on the plate or something like that to get some real crisp audio of the exhaust. But for now, since we didn't bring it, we're not gonna just not do the video. We're still gonna do it, and I'm just gonna use some music over the cinematic clips. So Slabs is putting this on the 350Z. This is gonna be the camera car. Pretty simple. Give a couple good tugs to make sure. Okay, you don't have to do all that. And then, like I said, this piece down. Oh, sorry, camera issues. This piece down here is what's gonna. The camera goes right into this, and this just kind of pops in here. Okay, if it does. Sorry, trying to watch the camera and this. And then this is just going to go on, the camera's going to go on here. Obviously, I can't show that. We could selfie it while putting it there, and then we adjust it.
Was this your room? Oh.
It just says the battery level of the extra charge. That's probably good there, right?
Yeah.
Because you're going to be able to move it.
CPL.
CPL's on there, baby.
Did you talk about the CPL?
I did talk about the CPL a little bit.
People need to know this.
They do. I feel like it's such a big thing. I'm gonna link it in the video. All right, that's pretty good. Good. We can move the whole car with this thing.
You want to pull the den out?
All right, so that's good. And now we're gonna go from the app and start driving. while editing this clip of my cousin realizing he's on the camera for the first time, I do want to say that now that I'm watching them, I noticed that filming in low light was super grainy. Although you do not have to shoot in low light, we were just trying it out because it was nighttime, but you do not have to shoot in low light. It was successful. It was nighttime, the sun came down, so I think it was actually kind of cooler. It's a little hard with the tracking, and the lighting is not there because you can't really track in low light mode. So yeah. But for you like video guys who are watching this video, or if you're looking to buy one, or if you know basically more than me about cameras and editing, it does have a feature where you could, I guess, vlog it. It's called, and I'm sure you guys you already know what I'm talking about. But basically, gives you kind of more of a raw footage that you can edit yourself further, like with color grading. I don't know how to do that, so I wasn't recording in vlog. But that is super cool that this camera could do that. It shoots 4K 30, it even shoots 4K 60. So yeah, like I said, this isn't like a camera review or anything like that, but for you car guys, and if you know how to edit a little bit, that would be super awesome for you guys. But if you watched up to this point, thank you. Do me a favor and hit that like button because it really does help engagement. I know every YouTuber says that and it kind of gets annoying, the YouTube spiel, but it does really help, man. So if you got any enjoyment out of this video, or if you want to get one yourself, like I said, the links will be in the description below. But yeah, please hit that subscribe button. It helps out, helps the algorithm, all that. Thank you guys, appreciate you. So catch you guys on the next one.
That wasn't even clicked in, bro. Did I?
Turn it off. I don't know. How would you know?
No.
Yo, you didn't even have that shit clicked in.